Hello, let's go over the UV0 to 1 mask material function. As you can see in the example, this texture is moving left to right. And if you put those UVs into this material function, you can actually see what it does. It will only highlight the parts that are within the 0 to 1 in UV space. So if I multiply that with the arrow, you'll get this as a result. Only the first arrow is shown. The ones on the left and the right are gone because those are below and above the 0 to 1 space. And that might be a decent example, but I'm going to try and give a bit more of a complicated one as well. Okay, let's go over a flipbook with this material function. As you can see, it's nice smoke going in and out at the moment. Let's say I want it to be smaller in the center and I want to apply it on a mesh. So what would be the best way to do it? I could tile 3 times to get it in the center, smaller in this case. But as you can see, it's off. The only proper one is on the top left. So why not move that to the center? Now, how do I highlight only this one? I'm going to grab those texture coordinate nodes and plug it into the Luos UV0 to 1 mask and preview that for a second. It's only highlighting the second one. If I only used the material function with the texture coordinate node, you see that it had the top left. But because I offsetted it with -1 and -1, and plug it over here as well, get the center one. Now I'm going to multiply that with the texture and preview that. Now only the center one is visible. If I try and do this -2 and -2, I'd only get the one on the bottom right, as you can see here. And back to 0 and 0, and it's on the top left. If I do -2 over here, I'm going to pick that one. And that's basically how you use this material function. It can be quite helpful for small flipbook effects on meshes, that kind of thing. I tend to use it a lot more often than I thought I would, but yeah, definitely play with it. Okay, that's it. Take care.